Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Benjamin Go. And in this video I'll be using my cam again to make a video. And I'll be showing you a tutorial on a Sonic which looks like this. Okay? To do a Sonic you must start off with this. Here, 3, 4, 2, 3, and you need a pen. Yeah, that's all you need. That's your hand and the fingers, yeah. So to do a Sonic, you need to use this ring finger and the middle finger. Push your ring finger up and the middle finger down, so it will become like this. Okay? And now, when you do that, your index finger would be here, and you block it. And yeah, that's all. And the second way to do it is like this. Push down, then you push up. Yeah, like this or like this. Yes, very simple, right? But you still need practice. Practice makes perfect. Yes, that. Okay. Then and to practice, you can always do it repeatedly again and again and count, and you can challenge your friends and do some high score or whatever you want to do. And yeah, this is my video for the tutorial Sonic, and thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment or subscribe. Thanks.